Hello everyone. In this video I will guide everyone how to download Marvel Spider-Man Remastered on PC or laptop for everyone to play. First, everyone will need to open a browser. Next, everyone will need to go to the Steam homepage. I will put the website link in the video description below. When everyone clicks on the link, it will take them to this page. Next, everyone will click on Install Steam. Click on Install Steam. After downloading the Steam installer, everyone will left-click here to proceed with the installation. Select Yes. Select Next. Select Next. Select Install. Select Finish. Everyone will log into their Steam account. If anyone doesn't have a Steam account, they can create one. After logging into the Steam account, everyone will search for Marvel Spider-Man Remastered here. This is Marvel Spider-Man Remastered. Everyone click on it. To download Marvel Spider-Man Remastered, we need to purchase the game. Everyone select Add to Cart. Select View My Cart. Select Continue to Payment. We will use a Visa, MasterCard, or PayPal to purchase the game. After purchasing the game, it will be in the Libraries section. Everyone will see the game Marvel Spider-Man Remastered here. Then, everyone will click on it. Select Install to proceed with downloading and installing the game on the computer. Select Install to download and install the game. Everyone can play Marvel Spider-Man Remastered on their computer.